melting, 3 marshmallows into a pan. I already oiled up the pan so then the marshmallows won't stick to the pan. I'm going to stick it inside the microwave. You'll be amazed of what happens. For this test, I will be sticking 1 marshmallow in first and then putting it in there for 30 seconds. Next, it will decrease by 5 seconds each time. Let's go. Woo! Marshmallow win. Stick the marshmallow inside the microwave. Stick it up in there. Press the button. Yeah. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh, holy crap. Oh my god. This thing's insane. Right now I'm gonna just cut the video until it dries. Okay, so we're gonna stick another marshmallow inside this pile. We're actually just gonna do it for 30 seconds again instead of decreasing. Be back with you in just a moment. Hey, I'm back, and well, this is what we ended up with. I got more marshmallows because this isn't gonna do it. So more. I'm going to stick all of them in there. And be back with you in just a moment.